Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we have discussed before, what is fraction and its types, how to make addition of mixed fraction. If you haven't seen this video yet, I have shared link in the description box. In this video, I am going to explain comparison of fraction. There are various methods for comparing fraction. In this, we are going to discuss two methods. First one is cross method and second one is difference LCM method. Then what is called cross method, how it is used? First we will see what is cross method. Let's take example, you will understood better. The example is 4 by 7, 5 by 13, 7 by 8, 3 by 5 and 11 by 13. In this, we have to make simply cross multiplication of fractions. In example, you will ask some questions like to find largest fraction or smallest fraction or second large fraction, or in some examples you will also ask to find order of the fractions. Then how to find largest fraction? You have to make simply cross multiplication of fractions. We will make first cross multiplication. 13 4 जा 52 and 7 5 जा 35. In this 52 is greater than 35, hence we will consider 4 by 7 for comparing with other fractions. Then we will make cross multiplication of 4 by 7 and 7 by 8. 8 4 जा 32 and 7 7 जा 49. In this 49 is greater than 32, hence we will compare 7 by 8 with these two fractions. Then we will make cross multiplication of these two fractions. 8 3 जा 24 and 7 5 जा 35. In this 35 is greater than 24, hence 7 by 8 is greater than 3 by 5. We will make comparison of 7 by 8 and 11 by 13 by cross multiplication. 13 7 जा 91 and 11 8 जा 88. As 91 is greater than 88, hence 7 by 8 is greatest fraction among all these fractions. Hence largest fraction is 7 by 8. For identifying smallest fraction, you have to use same method. Just you have to go reverse of this process. We will write this example again, so there is no confusion. 35. In this 35 is smaller than 52, hence we will consider 5 by 13 for comparing with other fractions. We will make cross multiplication of these two fractions now. 5 8 जा 40 and 13 7 जा 91. In this 40 is less than 91, hence we will compare 5 by 13 with these other two fractions. 5 5 जा 25 and 13 3 जा 39. In this 22 is smaller than 39, hence we will compare 5 by 13 with 11 by 13. 13 5 जा 65 and 13 11 जा 143, hence 65 is less than 143, hence your smallest fraction is 5 by 13. Let's discuss about second method, difference LCM method. First we will take easy example, after that we will take more example. Let's take example 4 by 7 and 5 by 13. We have to identify which one is greater among these two fractions. Then take difference between numerator and denominator. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 13 minus 5 is 8. Then simply take LCM of difference, that is 3 and 8. Then what is LCM of 3 and 8? It's 24. To find greater and smaller fraction, divide LCM by 3 and multiply it with numerator. 3 8s are 24 and 8 into 4 32. For this, divide LCM by difference and multiply it with numerator. 8 3s are 24 and 3 into 5 it will 15. Then compare these two numbers. As we can see that 32 is greater than 15, hence here 4 by 7 is greater than 5 by 13. Let's take more examples. Here are some few examples. First one is, out of the fractions 3 by 7, 4 by 11, 5 by 9, 6 by 13 and 7 by 12, which is the second largest? The options are 3 by 7, 4 by 11, 5 by 9, 6 by 13 and 7 by 12. You have to identify which one is second largest. Here we use first method, that is cross method. Let's write this example again. Eleven 3s are 33 and 7 4s are 28. Here 33 is greater than 28. Next, compare these two fractions. 9 3s are 7 5s are 35. Here 35 is greater than 27. 13 5s are 65 and 9 6s are 54. Here 65 is greater than 54. And then we compare these two fractions. 12 5s are 60 and 9 7s are 60 is less than 63, but we have to find second largest fraction, hence it is 5 by 9, hence your option C is correct. Then second example is which part contains the fractions in ascending order. Then let's write these fractions. 11 by 14, 16 by 19, 19 by 21. In case when the difference between numerator and denominator is same, you have to only check the which number is greater and less in the numerator. Hence here you can see that here is difference 3, here also difference is 3 and here also is 3. So 11 by 14 is less than 16 by 19 and less than 19 by 21. Hence your option A is correct. The third example is, what is the difference between the biggest and the smallest fraction among 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. Here also you can see that the difference between numerator and denominator is 1. Here also 1. The difference is common between all these fractions. Hence, your numerator will decide the order of the fractions. Hence, 2 by 3 is less than 3 by 4 is less than 4 by 5 and 4 by 5 is less than 5 by 6. Hence, 2 by 3 is the smallest fraction and 5 by 6 is the largest fraction. You have to find the difference. Hence, you will subtract smallest fraction from the largest. Here we will make cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15 minus 6 2s are 12 divided by 6 into 3 18, which is equal to 3 by 18. 3 6s are 18. Hence your answer is 1 by 6. Your option A is correct.